Yo, what is up guys, it's Sam from YouTube and this is my unboxing and review of the Tecno Camon 12. We've got a white box with an image of the Camon 12 on it. Opening the box, we're greeted with the Tecno Camon 12 on top. Setting that aside for now, we've got a box housing, a TPU case with a Camon branding, a SIM ejector tool, a screen protector, and a warranty card and a user manual. In the bottom compartment, we've got a micro USB to USB-A data cable, a pair of earphones, and a 10-watt adapter. Up front, we've got a 6.52-inch HD plus dot notch screen with a 19:9 aspect ratio, making the device look slim and long just the way I like it. On top of the screen, there's a dot notch housing the 16-megapixel camera with dual flash. This will definitely step up your selfie game. Behind, we've got a triple camera setup that consists of a 16-megapixel main camera with a red ring around it, an 8-megapixel 120-degree super wide angle camera with a third 2-megapixel camera, underneath a flash, and at the center a fingerprint sensor. The speed of the fingerprint sensor is incredible. I mean, it unlocks before I can even say oh my goodness. We've got nothing on the top, and on the left the SIM tray that houses a dual nano SIM slot and a dedicated SD card slot expandable to 256 gigs of storage. On the bottom, the speaker grills, micro USB port, a microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This device is made from plastic and still looks classy and premium. It's firm to grip and wobbles a bit when placed on a flat surface. Onto the internal specs of this device. The device supports Face ID, but that isn't 100% secure, but also the Face ID is top class and instant. The screen brightness increases to brighten up your face when in dark conditions. We got 4GB of RAM, 64GB internal memory, a 2GHz Helio P22 processor, a 4000mAh battery, a 6.52-inch HD Plus LCD touchscreen notch display, and the device runs on Android 9 Pie. The screen displays colors quite decently and is well lit outdoors. Onto some of the adjustable features. You could choose to hide the notch, which I played around with for a while. You could choose to turn on the eye care option, that is to set the screen brightness at your preferred temperature. We've got a lot of pre-installed apps that come along with the iOS, that is Tecno Skin on Android. The 4GB RAM and Helio P22 processor ensured I had zero lag and an amazing user experience with this device. Gaming was efficient with smooth performance and the device didn't excessively overheat. The device also has a dedicated gaming mode also, just to increase or make your gaming experience better. I had about 20 hours of runtime, and as you can see, I'm on 7% and the device still performs excellently under battery saving conditions. Charging takes about 2 hours and 15 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. This device has got a decent camera with a lot of fun features like the popular AR feature. I'll be making a dedicated review video for the camera of this device. This device costs 47,500 naira, that is about $130, a budget friendly price with top-notch specs. The device targets mobile photographers and also an average person who uses their device for work, school, anything light and basic. Tecno has done a good job by ensuring our consumers are satisfied by providing a quality device at an affordable price point. Let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and also to subscribe to join the family. Until the next video, peace.